Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to attach our Manhattan table base to our Isotop or Wermondin tabletop. Now I find it easier if you draw a cross from corner to corner on your tabletop so that you can easily locate the centre. Then you put your table base and then just line up the screw holes with the lines that you've drawn. Now you would have been provided with 8 screws. You have to be careful with these screws. You don't want to over tighten them. You may crack the top of your tabletop, and you don't need to pre-drill the holes because they're self-tapping screws. And there you have it. That's how you attach our Isotop or Wermondin tabletop to our Manhattan base.